Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be about hairstyles for short hair. So someone recently told me, यार you have short hair, तुम लोग के बाल पे क्या स्टाइल होगा? या तो पीछे एक सिंपल पोनी बांध ले, नहीं तो leave it open, क्योंकि स्टाइल तो पॉसिबल है नहीं. So I decided why not make a video and speak about the different hairstyles I make with my short hair, especially because I need to keep my hair away from my son Augustin. But yes, it's also fancy and it's also stylish and it looks nice. So watch this video till the end to see all the hairstyles and do try them out and let me know. My name is Monica, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to watch more videos just like this. And on this channel we allow moms and kids, not only moms in fact, any parents and children to come and speak out their DIY, their tips, so we can spread our experience with everyone. So without wasting time, I'm going to get into this video. So post-pregnancy, I had really short hair. I had chopped my hair really short because I had a lot of damage and hair issues, hair fall, and my baby was pulling my hair and I didn't want that. So I chopped it really short. And at that time also, with that of course, there were very less hairstyles I could try. But in this video, I will be speaking about the hairstyles I did even then with the really short hair. So don't forget to watch this video till the end because you don't know which hairstyle is going to be spoken about when. So tried and tested short hair hairstyles by me. So hairstyle number one is the classic leave your hair open, but I leave it with a side parting. So most of the time, so my parting can be kept like this. This is how my hair looks generally. If I'm walking and if there's breeze, then my hair is going to set like this. Okay, it won't have that extra bump. But what I do after I reach a place when there's less breeze, I will pull out this extra strand from here and I'll make it sit like this. So it has that extra volume and it gives a nice cut to the face. So this is one of the tips I try. What I also do apart from this is I'm giving a bonus tip with it. I take a little strand of hair and I pin it here, and then leave the hair open on top of it. And right now I don't have a pin, but you see, it gives a cute little look of elegance. In that case, the bounce remains. Now, if your face is oval, then this is going to suit you really well if you have a nice jawline as well. But if you have a little round face, then I'm not sure this hairstyle is going to suit you. So do not try that hairstyle of pinning it in. If you have a round face, then I think it's better you show a little more of your forehead. Or if it's really very round, then you can keep a little fringe in front. Don't pin it behind. Let it be in front. But what you can do otherwise is you can take a little bit of your side, which you are not bring in front, and you can either make a braid here or you can just pin it like this, brush your hair, and you've got a cute little hairstyle. So this is the first tip that I have, the classic hair. You can also fidget with it and change the parting. That was too much to change, but you can change the parting and it still looks nice. It looks different, right? Like for me, I feel like I'm like a different human being when I change my parting. See, the face changes completely. But yes, this is my first tip, and now my hair's just a mess. Moving on to 2. So the second hairstyle I have for you is this. It's actually pretty simple to achieve this. All you gotta do is from the tip of your eyebrows, you part your hair and you take the hair back, and at the tip of your crown, the end of your crown, you make a bun and you pull it. You put your fingers in between and you pull it to make it messy. And then from front you pull out a little hair so that you can give it a little volume, and you've done. Simple, easy, quick, and you can do it even without a mirror. Only the puff becomes a little messy without a mirror, but still, if once you're used to it, you just know, right? So this is another hairstyle that I personally love because when I'm out and if I'm not carrying Augie, because now he can walk, this is one of the hairstyles I like to carry more often because the fringe doesn't fall on my face. So yes, this is hairstyle number 2. Moving on to hairstyle number 3. To take the same hair and tie a pony. Right there. So it's only your crown. I would suggest don't use a rubber band like how I did. I just took a red rubber band. You can use something which is black and probably a thinner one. And that's it. There you go. So these hairstyles are simple, they're easy, you can do them anytime. And if you don't feel like wearing them, you can just remove them anytime. And your hair is back in place. Moving on to the next. So the next hairstyle I have for you is the bun again, but it's not from just your crown. This time, the bun will be from the ear. Okay, so you take the hair back and even from here you bring it all up here and then you make a bun. And the key is to make a messy bun, like a really messy one like this. Secure it with bobby pins if you need, or else I hope I made the puff correct. Yeah, you done? Again, one of the hairstyles I like, so it's either here. So if my scalp is very oily, I'll go for something like this, because usually if I take a partition over here, then you can see the oil over here. That is if I have not, today's the second day I haven't washed my hair yet, and I've been in the sun yesterday for a long time, and my hair gets really oily and that's a mess. So at that time, these are the hairstyles I like, so that my hair, you can't really make out the oil because I'm puffing them up from here. And these are messy hair buns. So this is again something I like when my hair is oily, because it's just a pony. Now, I like to make my ponies really tight so that I can pull them. So a tip that I'll show you what I do. So once you tighten your rubber band, you hold both the ends like this, you pull it back, and then you hold the hair and pull it in front. So it will automatically give your hair that puff that you were looking for, and then you divide the hair more towards both the side and you leave it. So these are hairstyles that I definitely like to try when my hair is, I think the puff is a little tailored. No, it's correct. These are hairstyles that I like to try when my hair is a little oily, when my scalp is oily, because you can't make out the oil in these hairstyles. Moving on to the next. So the next hairstyle that I have for you is something that I try outside as well, and that's a usual pony. Now, I can't really make a high pony. When I go to make a high pony, little hair from the back of my head does come out. So what I do is then I pin bobby pins to it and I keep my hair fixed. Now, the only time I like my hair nice and sleek is when I'm having a high pony, because that looks nice. But I still tend to pull out a little bit of hair. So this is one of my favorite looks, and I used to like it before because I used to feel my face looks really different, but now I've got used to it, because this became one of my favorite looks after I realized that my son, when I'm holding him right here, cannot reach my hair, and that means less headache because he cannot pull it. So this became one of my favorite looks, the high pony, and plus when you're having headache, tying it up like that is just going to pull the hair so you feel like a massage. So yes, this is one of the hairstyles that I try with short hair. You can't do it with really short hair, but the next one what I do, you can try with short hair, really short hair, but then you'll still have little hair that will stand out from the bottom. because if it's really short, you cannot really pin the whole thing. I don't make a high pony. I make a pony which is somewhere in the middle. And again, I repeat the same process of pulling the rubber band ahead and then pulling it back. So, you know, you get that little puff volume to the hair. And then set the pony down. Now with this, another thing you can try is removing 1 or 2 strands of hair, and if you like to style it properly, you can use a curl iron or something to, you know, set it. I don't, because it doesn't matter how much ever I style my hair, my baby's going to pull it out eventually. So, but this is another look that you can style. You can braid your hair and all in the corner and make it a little more fancy, alright? I'm just giving you the basics. Rest, you can use your creativity and imagination, because that even I do. I do put a lot of clips. I do pin my hair. Even in this hairstyle, the last one or the previous rubber band, the ponytails, I do sometimes use clips in the corners and sides to just add a little extra touch to it, so it looks a little different and creative. So the next look I do like to style sometimes is the center parting. Now that is something I will never style when my hair is oily, because if my scalp is even a little oily and I use a center parting, then my hair will become, and I'll look funny. So center parting is something I don't use more often. It's only on the days when I have washed my hair freshly. This is what you get when once it's set. Then, you know, when it's fresh, your hair is just freshly washed and it's not going to stick, then you can try the center parting. It's really nice. I like it. One of my faves, but I can't carry it every other day because my scalp tends to get oily soon. Whenever I'm wearing Indian, apart from that, even if you have short hair, you can try the center parting one and the gloss hair look. That looks really class with short hair as well. So whenever I'm wearing Indian, what I do is I'll take a little bit of my hair from here. I'll either braid it or take it normally. Right now I'm not going to braid it, I'm just going to take it normally. Same from here. Okay. And I'll bring it back. Now if I already made braids here, then I'll take a little hair from here and together I'll make from here, from the center, and I'll make a braid again, and I'll just, you know, keep it stuck there with some pins, and I pull out my hair a little to give it that look. Now this you can also keep a side parting, but I like center parting as well. It looks adorable. You can use gajra if you want on it. If you're wearing a sari, it will look cute and nice. That's something I try, so do try it and let me know if you like center parting as well. It's very rare to find people who like center parting. Moving on. So the next tip I try, I'm not going to show it in detail, but I'm going to explain it to you, is from the eyebrows till the center. Okay, I take this much hair and I will braid it. Okay, I braid it and I'm just going to roll it now to show you, and I'll pin it here. Okay, with small clips, and the same I'll do over here and I'll pin it here. This is one very cute look. It looks nice, the hair falls well, and it gives a very young, more lively, happy look, and it suits all face types. So do try it out, let me know. So, you know, I'm happy that if you've not known this, you try it out. It looks very nice with short hair, yeah. Honestly, it does. So try it out. Moving on to the next. Just half of your hair and make the space one as well. These look adorable and they're fun, and your babies can't reach it. So good, saves you from a lot of headache. Same thing over here, just imagine, because I don't have another rubber band, so we have to work with it, and it's past 12 o'clock in the night when I'm filming all of this. So yeah, I film my videos post 12 o'clock in the night because during the day I have no time, considering the fact that my baby is running now. It's a little difficult to find some time for myself. So yes, these are the hairstyles that I have for you. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comments about what you think about these hairstyles. If you have tried them, if you have any more hairstyle that I can try, let me know in the comment section. You can reach out to me on the email ID provided in the description box below, or you have my Instagram IDs provided in the description box below. You can reach out to me. I'd be happy to hear from you. If there are any videos you want me to make, any DIYs, please let me know. I'd be happy to make them. Yes, please like, share and subscribe. For now, thank you. Bye-bye.